Quick sneaker review tayo ng Nike Jamorant 1 Zombie, a Halloween-themed colorway. Every year, nag-release ang Nike ng Halloween-themed sneakers and kasama nga itong Jamorant 1. So far, ito yung pinakamagandang colorway dahil sa details niya. As you can see, ang base color niya is lime green and meron siyang olive green contrast sa laces, tongue, inner lining, and midsole. Ang three main materials niya is leather, mesh, and rubber. It has these crazy zombie scratch mark details wrapped around the swoosh and a zombie hand on the inner swoosh. Sa heel tab, ang ganda ng details. May blood red number 12 and swoosh and may mga zombie hands crawling out from the grave. Makikita din all over yung pirma ni Jamorant sa tongue, heel tab, and tip ng sole. Jamorant logo sa outer tongue and insole. Meron siyang thick collar padding for comfortable lock-in ankle support. Nike Technology Air Zoom Unit sa forefoot to help you increase responsiveness and vertical acceleration during games. Ang sole niya is made of extra durable rubber outsole which provides excellent traction for indoor and outdoor games. Meron din itong herringbone adjacent traction pattern para mag-provide ng magandang court grip. Magsi-stand out ka talaga sa court while wearing this. We have limited size available on hand. Message nyo lang kami sa social media accounts namin.